Hey everybody, Don Dabney, and look at this really beautiful 1935 Auburn 851 Phaeton. I'm going to do the drive with the top up because otherwise it might be a little bit too noisy, but what a cool car. It's been in the same family for decades. It was restored decades ago. It's a special car. Let's go take a ride and let me show you what I mean. You know, it runs strong, it gets up and goes, and it handles great. Right now we're running about 55 miles an hour. It's comfortable to drive. I mean, it was so ahead of its time. It's no surprise. Alright, so there it is. That's our cruise in our 35 Auburn. Give me a call if you have any questions. Thanks for checking it out.